Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 16 of Upskilling myself, and today I solved just two DSA problems because I had some internship work to do as well as I had my project work to do. So yeah, let's move on to the DSA problems that I solved. So the first problem was isomorphic string. So two strings are isomorphic if the characters in S can be replaced to get the string T. Okay, so let's see the example over here. The first string is egg, and the second string is add. So if you see, E can be replaced with A to get this, and G can be replaced with D to get this. So if we exchange E with A, it will be A, and exchange G with D, it would be D and D. So we get the second string, right? But if we see another case, let's say A, B, B, and over here we say C, D, G. So if you replace A with C, it works. B with D, it works. But now B will act as D, so the string will be CDD. So it is different from the string that we expected. So it is not an isomorphic, right? So let's see the implementation of it. So first of all, we have to get the length of the both strings over here, and then we have to compare whether the size are equal or not. If the sizes are not equal, then for sure they are not isomorphic, so we return false. Then in case the size is equal, we create an unordered map of character. It maps the element of the first string with the characters of the second string, right? And the indices are same for both of them, right? So we start the traversal, and first of all, let's see this over here. We add string of I in the map as key and the second string of I as its value. Same for this. And then if we find that s of I is already in the hash map, then we look for the value. And if the value is not equal to t of I, then return false. And after the traversal, we return true. So pretty simple. Let's go to the second problem. So the second problem was group anagrams. So what are group anagrams? So group anagrams are a set of strings which characters when interchanged will form a single string, right? So let's take an example, this. So all of these strings have the same characters in it, and when we replace the characters, we get the same string, right? So to solve it, we create a hash map which stores the sorted string as the key and the anagrams collection as the value. Okay, so let's create an unordered map which is a string as the key and the value is vector of the strings that we store, which are the anagrams, right? So we traverse the whole array, the strings array, and then we set the key as S, then we sort the key, and then we put the key into the hash map, right? And for every key, we get the set of anagrams assigned to it in the hash map. Okay, then we create a vector called as result where we store the output, and then we push all the anagrams in the result vector. So this is a simple loop for it. And yeah, for the development part, I did internship work, I did the revision of AWS basics, then I revised some tricky JavaScript concepts, and then I did YouTube stuff. Then I did the revision of all the DSA problems that I solved till now. And yeah, that was it for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you on day 17.